Hey everyone, so now I'm going to be taking the Ruby Kisses eyeshadow palettes, and I'm going to be taking Tropicana from their single eyeshadow line, and I'm going to be applying Tropicana to the crease. And make sure you subscribe if you're new. So I'm just going to be taking Tropicana, and I love the shade Tropicana because even though it's a beautiful orange shade, it can be used as a lid color or crease color on its own. So now I'm going to be taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan, and it's going to be creating a cut crease. I'm going to be setting the concealer because we do not want the concealer to run everywhere. And yes, I got a little fall out there. But setting the concealer is very, very important. Now, after we just set the concealer, now we're just going to be applying this gold color from the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. I love that gold. It's called metallic, and I'm just going to be taking metallic and apply it all over to the lid. Going in with Azul, and I'm going to take the blue and I'm going to apply it right next to the gold. I'm taking the color New York and I'm going to apply it right next to the blue. This was a little bit complicated at one point, but all I did was make sure I did not overlap the blue and just kind of make sure I tilt my brush outward instead of inward. Then I'm going into the crease and adding a darker shade to dip it up with the crease just a little bit more to give a little bit more definition. Got to highlight the brow, and I'm going to be taking just a setting powder, the same setting powder that we used to set the crease, set the cut crease earlier. That we're going to use that, and then I'm going to be taking the ColorMates gel eyeliner to apply. I've been in more to like a little bit bolder wings lately, so I'm kind of liking the finish of that. After I apply my liner, I'm going to be applying my mascara, and then the mascara I'm going to use my favorite, which is the Xlash mascara. And then after I use my Xlash, I'm going to be applying my lashes off camera. Gotta get those lips done. Nah, just kidding. Gotta apply some lips. Now I'm just going to be taking an Ulta lipstick in Nude, and I love this lipstick. I just love it so much. It's actually called Snuggle, but that is the completed look, you guys.
Crack it.
I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a massive thumbs up and let me know what videos would you like to see next. And I gotta go, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys. Talking to you guys a little bit about my favorite contour products, what I like to use. I have been getting into contour lately. I do have a couple contour videos. I have a link below because I've done my contouring routine, I've done a highlighting routine, I have done it all, but highlight as far as concealer. But